Hi friends, welcome to SB Prediction. UK 49's lunchtime and tea time prediction 24th December 2024. 23rd December 2024 UK 49's lunchtime 3 hot number member only prediction boom. 3 hot number member only prediction boom number 17, number 22 and number 38. Join YouTube channel membership 99% accurate prediction member only. Join YouTube channel membership now. Join only level 3 UK 49 3 hot number. Join now. Tuesday UK 49's lunchtime prediction number. First number 9, number 13, number 29, number 36, number 43, booster number 30. Today UK 49's tea time prediction number 2, number 16, number 38, number 24, number 45, booster number 42. UK 49's lunchtime and tea time prediction complete. Like, share, comment and subscribe this YouTube channel now. Good luck, see you soon next video. Bye bye.